now also with us, Aubrey Caraan. Hello, Margot. Have a seat. Nicole Amelia is also here. Ayan, there we go. Hi, Nicole. Very bubbly and beautiful as always. Ayan. Eto na, the representatives of the University Series, Aubrey, Nicole, and Mark. We will hear more from them later as we go along. But for now, let's call in the cast of Bad Genius, the series. Why not? Hyacinth Caliana is here with us today. Come and join me here, Hyacinth. Wow, there we go. Alright, let's call in the cast of Seducing Drake Palma. We have Frost Sandoval. There you have Frost. Hello. Also joining us here, Angela Moody. And of course, Drake Palma himself. Let's call him Robin Angeles. There we have it. The artists from Seducing Drake Palma. We have, of course, Frost, Angela, and the Robin Angeles. Let's proceed with the cast of Abot Yan Section E. Let's start with the members of GAP Gawang Atin To, starting off with Ethan. Let's call him Michael Keith. Also with us is Derek Ong. Last but not the least, Hans Baronda. I think we're missing one person here. Let's go her in. Amadia herself, Ashley Noviga! There we go! Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. You are now seeing the artists who will perform sa Viva Arcada on August 15. We have representatives from the University Series, Bad Genius the Series, Seducing Drake Palma, and of course, ang Modya ng Section E. All that happening on August 15 sa Viva Arcada, the Big Dome. Palakpakan natin one more time, guys. Show some love one more time. I love that. Maraming salamat. Okay, I know you guys are feeling excited to answer the questions na nilibig sa atin ng media friends natin. Once again, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to the press conference of Viva Arcada. Before we start, allow me to acknowledge the presence of our friends from the press once again. And of course, Miss Carmencita Hill, our VP Corporate and PR. Where is Miss Carmencita? Ayan. She's not right there, pero maraming salamat po. We appreciate you. My name is EJ Vicencio, and welcome to this exciting afternoon as we gear up for a unique experience featuring this exciting event, the ultimate fan meet and concert of the hottest young artists of Viva that will happen again on August 15. We are live on the VAA Live and Viva Artists Agency Facebook pages. So, guys, feel free to share the live stream so everyone can participate in this very exciting event. All right, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Yeah. Okay, ready na din ako. Let's start. We are ready to start the question and answer portion. So, members of the press, asan po yung microphone natin? Ayan, pupunta po sa inyo si ating Viva staff to hand the microphone. Alright, let us begin. First on the list, we have from Abante Tonight, Sir Jun Lalin.
Hello, yan. Good afternoon. Correct ko lang, no? Abante. Pero sa akin din yung Abante Tonight. Kasi papunta po yung editor. Anyways, and congratulations. Yan, we're also excited for Viva Arcada. Mabongga, no? Sunod-sunod yung mga special appearances nila. Pero yan, tatanong ko muna si Robin. Robin, nakita kita, isa ka sa pinakamaaga na dumating dito. Nakakatuwa, no? Na ang aga din natin nag-start. Kasi ang aaga nyo. Robin, nasabi nga sa akin ni Direk Crisanto Aquino na Yun, very professionals kayo ni Angela. Yeah. When it comes to call time, you're always early.
Okay.
Yeah.
Palagi po ako dapat maaga.
Yeah, pero yun nga, nakakatuwa kasi na kahit viral ka, kahit sikat na sikat kayo ngayon, even Drake Parma series mo, Drake Palma series mo, talaga naman dinudumog na pinapanood, di ba? Malapit na rin sa Free TV, di ba? O ang bilis, di ba? Yun nga, still, ang nakakatuwa sa'yo, kitang-kita na hindi ka nag-change. Actually, may mga changes but for the better, di ba?
Yes,
hindi lumalaki daw yung ulo mo. Yeah, including Angela also. So, anong masasabi niyo dun sa mga, kasi yung iba pag sumikat na, ang dami mong negative na naririnig, di ba? May mga iba, parang hindi na-appreciate na sinasabi, nawawala yung privacy nila, they need to rest, kailangan ng pahinga, rest day, di ba? Pero kayo, never daw kayo nagreklamo.
Yes po. Ako naman po parang thankful pa po ako na gano'n. Hindi po talaga ako magreklamo kahit anong mangyari. Kahit everyday po yung gano'n. Palagi lang po ako nagpapasalamat.
Yeah.
Ako naman po, grateful din po ako na I'm very grateful that I'm busy with the things that I love in life. Kasi minsan lang po dumating yung mga ganitong chances and yung opportunity na ganito hindi na po talaga dapat ako. I'm just very grateful.
Yeah, okay, para sa majority or lahat kayo, no? Kasi yun nga, speaking of privacy, yung rest, yung iba naningin, gano'n, sunod-sunod yung mga ganap nyo, sunod-sunod yung mga fan meet, no? Gano'n kayo ka-excited, lalo na ngayon, Araneta Coliseum na from New Frontier at saka yung mga malls, di ba? Pupunuin nyo na this time ang Araneta Coliseum.
Gita, you wanna answer?
Well, syempre po, lahat po kami sobrang saya. Especially now it's a bigger family, it's the whole Viva Arcada family. Viva One, yung family po. Sobrang saya po namin kasi syempre, ito na yan, magsasama-sama na lahat ng series. And maraming salamat po kasi hindi ko lahat wala po si fans, hindi po kami dati sa ganito. NFT lang po ang harap namin ngayon nasa Sparta Rent Coliseum. So, marami po kami hinahandang surpresa para sa inyo and for sure mag-enjoy po.
Ang bongga, di ba, Astin? Oo, ang bongga, lahat kayo, ang bongga, even Viva One, di ba? So, anong paghahanda? Anong may mga surprises pa kayo for us? Yan? Anong aabangan namin, Astin?
Ayun po, bago po ako sumagot, gusto ko lang po mag-hello po sa inyo lahat. Sa mga press po at sa mga supporters po namin lahat na pumunta dito. Thank you so much. And hello po, Direct po. Basta video, hello po. Yes, ayun po, marami po kayong dapat abangan sa po doon. Sasabi ako isa, may mga broad po na all girls. Yes.
Sasama-sama kayo.
Yes, kaya sobrang exciting po kasi, di ba po sa Afontianang session, sobrang konti lang po namin girls. Pero ngayon, kasama po namin yung Univer Gather girls. Kaya sobrang happy. At sila Aubrey, sila Nico, naka-work ko na din po sila before. Kaya sobrang happy po talaga ako. And I'm excited to work with Haya. Super pretty Haya.
Ang bongga. Pero, sandali, anong aabangan sa inyo ni Andres? Siyempre, yun ang gusto nila.
Surprise!
Pero definitely may number kayo.
Opo.
Oo. Asan daw si Andres? Ba't wala siya dito?
Busy po.
Busy? Hindi na sinabi sa'yo. Bakit? Hindi kayo magka-text? Dapat alamin mo later. Yeah, pero yan, congratulations. We're all excited for the Viva One, Viva Arcada sa Araneta. Yeah, good luck.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Sir Junalin. Alright, let's proceed with Bandera, Irvin Santiago.
Hello? Wait lang ah. Hello guys. First question ko, kung sino yung gustong sumagot? Paano yung sisiguruhin na mag-e-enjoy, na matutuwa at uuwing masayang-masaya yung mga fans kapag nanood sila ng Ultimate FanCon and Grand Concert ninyo? Si Ashtin Moon. Kasi siya
Sabi niyo
yung
po, sino gusto mo?
Sige, Ashtin.
Kami po, make sure po talaga namin, ay bibigyan po talaga namin yung best namin. Lahat ng mga, kung ano man yung gagawin namin, makaspil man yan, kung sino man yung kakanta, kung sino man yung sasayaw. Make sure po namin na bibigay po namin yung best namin at i-enjoy po namin yun para kung ano man yung nararamdaman namin sa loob namin, enjoyment, yung sayang nararamdaman namin, make sure po namin na mapapasa po namin yun sa mga manonood. And syempre gagawin po namin kung ano po rin yung ina-expect at yung mga gusto po nila.
So, make sure nyo nakikilig yung talaga yun.
Yes.
Sino pa yung gusto sumagot?
Sa akin naman po, yun, make sure namin na may enjoy nila sa pag-alis po nila sa Araneta. Because I think first time nila makikita, mapapanood na magsama-sama yung bawat cast ng each series po sa Bidon. And I think magkakaroon din sila ng chance to see us perform live. Because hindi aware lahat na some of us are singers, dancers, ibang talent din po, not just acting. So I think yun. Ayun, I think, I feel like hindi lang sila yung ma-excite or matutuwa. Dahil kasi pati kami, we're very excited with the production that we'll be doing. Kasi yun nga, halo-halo po kami. So it's going to be an experience for all of us. At unang makakapanood, of course, our fans. So we're very, very excited for everyone.
Si Mark.
Siguro ang pinaka-piling ko makukuha nila from the concert. Nalaman ko lang to recently, may papandesal si Jairo sa catering.
Wow!
Yeah. Medyo ready na siya, mag-magic mic siya kasama ni Lance.
Eh, how about you, Marco? Kasi napansin namin talagang parang bortang-bortang.
Kailangan.
Meron.
Diba? Kailangan.
Meron din ba?
Magic mic? Baka hindi imposible. Hindi ko po alam. Meron po kaming performance ng voice. Pero, na lang. Anyways.
Sino pa po?
Ano ba? I think it's gonna be a big treat for everyone kasi nung nalaman ko about the concert, it's kind of like the Marvel universe. Tignan mo yung Spider-Man na all the different Spider-Mans come together. Parang ganun. So everyone gets to see all their favorite characters all in one big show. Siyempre, I'm excited for GAZ kasi it's our first time performing as a group doon sa Araneta. And so I'm excited kami kasi we have something very special on the way for you guys. And so may special favorite po kami for the fans. At sana magustuhan niyo.
Meron pa po. Si Hyacinth, parang may pasabog na mala Blackpink or mga K-pop.
I don't know, they said it all, but the only thing coming up in my head is that, of course, as much as we can, we'll display our most true authenticity because at the end of the day, that's what our fans love. They love us for who we are, so I know we can give our all, but we don't have to try too hard. Does that make sense? Of course, there's effort.
Thank you guys, salamat.
Thank you so much. Let's call in from Tibay, Ian Fariñas.
Hi, good afternoon. Boys and girls. Andito si Direk Paul.
Yes, paano po si Direk sa Tech Booth?
Oh, isa lang naman ang tanong ko kay Direk. Baka pwedeng bigyan ng mic si Direk. Direk, sa dami ng mga batang ito at syempre lahat sila are aiming for a spot dun sa show. Paano po yung distribution ng numbers, yung exposure, in terms of exposure, how will you make sure that they will have equal exposure sa concert?
Yes, so as much as we can, we'd like to do it sana isang buong araw para lahat sila may performance and may show. But unfortunately, we can only do as much. Siguro mga enough na yun, 4 na oras, 3 oras siguro yung production number para masaya yung lahat ng fans. Of course, each and everyone will be representing the series that they are starting in. So, kagaya nga ng sabi nila, merong mga girls prod yun, merong mga boys prod. Hopefully, may mga duets, may naasahan sila, and of course, mga group performances. But we're very aware of the timing kasi sa sobrang dami nila, kailangan mapagkasya namin siya doon sa oras na binibigay ng Araneta. So, equal billing siguro for everyone. And at the same time, I don't wanna promise a lot, but marami kaming pasabog na performances na gagawin.
Thank you, Direk.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Alright, let's call in from Anong Ganap, Erwin Ogawa.
Hello guys! Okay, Erwin from Anong Ganap. So, curious lang ako, nakapag-perform na ba kayo sa Araneta individually? Kung naalala, as in first time nyo lahat? Kasi from 2,000 ang capacity ng New Frontier to 20,000, almost 16,000, di ba? Araneta. So, how does it feel na Araneta levels na kayo? Ashley, nakapag-perform na ba before?
Before po, yung nakapag-front up po kami before sa Araneta. And this time po na babalik po kami na parang kami na po talaga gusto yung papanoodin doon. Eh, sobrang nakakatawa po talaga ng puso. Sobrang dream come po talaga doon.
So, kung kayo yung masusunod, ano yung mga gusto nyo kantahin for yourself?
Kasi naalala ko lang po kasi before, nung nag-practice kami ni Aubrey para sa sabi namin, sayo kami, girls, ganyan. Tapos nag-play sa Spotify yung dope siya.
Yes, Pussycat Dolls.
Ay, pwede namin. Pwede isa. Ikaw?
G.
Ayun din, looking forward sa all-girls prod. And I think, ano rin, gusto ko din yung magkaroon kami ng chance to sing. Sing and dance, kami girls. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano po yung specific song, but yeah, I hope na magawa namin yung mga.
I'm just excited kasi the first time I performed in Araneta was for Indap and our director was Direk Paul. And ngayon, the next that ngayon hindi na siya parang guest lang.
Nag-full circle.
Then. So, so sobrang...
Full circle na.
Yes, and this means a lot kasi na-miss ko si Direk and I'm very, very excited to do this kasi ito yung expertise niya concerts. I mean, Sarah G and everything. So, sobrang idol namin to si Direk pagdating sa ganitong klaseng production. So, abangan niyo na lang po.
And Robin, what can we expect from you? Another dance ng, hot dance number na naman ba?
Abangan na lang po natin,
yes.
Pero dance po siguro.
Yes. Good luck, best of luck sa lahat. See you around.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Erwin. Now, let's proceed with Pulp Magazine, AC Castillo.
Hello po, good afternoon. First of all, congratulations po sa inyong upcoming grand concert. Yay! First of all, start na po ba kayo mag-prepare para sa grand concert po ninyo? Anyone can answer?
As GAT both, yes, we have a lot of stuff coming. There's definitely a big surprise for that event. We're super excited to get makita yung performance namin kasi may piniprepare kami ngayon. So, sana magustuhan nyo. And we're extending our sessions. We're doing every day na we're going for that.
Since na-mention mo po na marami kayong pine-prepare and this would be your first performance as a group, ano kaya yung kaabang-abang na dapat i-anticipate talaga ng fans or ng mga manonood sa araw na to? Like, may pa-perform ba kayong kakaiba? Like, for example, own senior?
Yes po. Pe-perform po namin yung I think yung debut single po namin.
Sana po umabot.
Sana. And then with everyone po naman, yung mga prod po, inaayos po yung mga prods namin para equal din po yung prods namin lahat. So, we're looking forward to, mag-rehearse na kami all together. Siguro chaotic yun, pero masaya.
So, branding ko kasi ito pag nagtatanong sa mga press ko, anyone can answer naman. If i-describe nyo yung Viva Arcada Grand Concert into one word, what would it be and why?
Frost, you wanna answer?
Put it into one word. It's pretty hard. There's so much happening in that concert. I think we'll just keep it simple. Grand. I mean, it's in the title. Grand fan meet, grand convention, grand concert. Grand is in the name. Grand is what you can expect. So I would describe it.
All right. Somebody from Univergada.
Okay. I think magulo. Pwede ko pa sabihin yun. I think it's magulo talaga. Pero not in a way na sasakit ulo nyo. Pero masaya kasi kami siguro pagka nandun na sa stage. So kung meron man kaming magawa na nagkukurutan or biglang, alam mo yun, feeling ko maraming mga behind the scenes dapat, pero may kita nyo on stage. So that is something I guess you'll have to see. So ay magulo, yung word ko.
Angela Muji, wanna answer?
It's going to be amazing and full of fun. Well, hindi ko ma-one word kasi ang dami namin. So, yeah, like what she said, it's gonna be magulo pero in a good way.
Ako siguro yung one word ko, magiging unforgettable siya. Since first time namin itong gagawin, na magkakasama kami na gagawin namin yung bagay na gusto namin talaga ginagawa. And ayun, makakasama pa namin yung mga supporters namin, yung family namin, and of course, sa Araneta. Kaya sobrang thankful talaga.
Ayun. Lastly, na-mention kasi sa press release na merong upcoming show ang Viva. Will you give us any idea kung ano ba yung mga surprise about that upcoming show? Or kung isa din ba yun sa mga abangan sa Grand Concert?
Siguro mas maganda if doon na lang nila malalaman kasi nasabi na namin, hindi na siya surprise.
Diba? Oo nga naman. So, ayun lang naman. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Thank you.
Oh man. Thank you so much. All right, now let's have a TikTok content creator, Jaiko TV, Jaiko Manaan.
Hello everyone. Congratulations. This is it. Araneta na. Ayan. My first question, anyone who can answer naman, no? Since this is a concert, hands-on din ba kayo sa pagpili ng mga prod nyo or set list dito sa concert nyo? Or may mga request pa kayo na concept na gusto nyo gawin? Tapos pitch nyo kayo. Anyone who can answer?
Yes, Michael Keith?
Ano po, I think our team has been doing a really great job, especially since we had our 2-day Session Nation, which OST recently. With those types of prods, they've been doing really good at giving us numbers then, but then they also give us creative freedom then as well. And so we like to collaborate with the team, and so we're being as hands-on as we can as possible. Which is that we have to, give the fans what we want, but Viva knows exactly what the fans want. So, kaya nandito kami lahat kasi they gave you shows as well.
Yes, Aubrey.
Siguro share ko for now na performances namin would be the OSTs ng bawat series. So, mapapakinggan nyo kami na kantahin yun live or with the artist or the singer themselves. So, yun.
So we're looking forward to that. Ayan, ito naman, sino yung mga influencers nyo sa pagpa-perform? Like, sino yung mga idol nyo? Ashley, go.
Yes. Gusto mo sabay-sabay kami lahat?
Go!
1, 2, 3, go! Sarah G! Yeah, syempre yun po talaga kasi bukod sa napakagaling na performer, napaka-humble po talagang tao. And sa tingin ko, ganun talaga yung mga dapat hinahangaan.
Have you met her already?
Hindi pa po. Pero nag-perform po kami before sa NFP para sa isang, yung sa cosmetic na din po. And nakapag-pre-show po kami nun. Pero hindi po talaga siya na-play po. Sana soon.
Sa mga boys? Sino yung mga nilook up nyo na singers?
Sana G din mo.
Ako po si David.
Ah, about to say, GAT. GAT.
Which by the way, ang ganda ng blending niyo sa Rainbow.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, bro.
So my last question naman kay Hyacinth. We heard you singing nung last night no, sa episode 1. Disney voice, no? Parang wow. Are we gonna expect like ganung mga pang Disney na performance sa concert?
To be honest, I'm not so sure, but that would be very fun. I would love that very much. Thank you so much for being there last night.
Yeah, it was a good, grabe. Diba lahat tayo? Ang linis. Yan. Congratulations guys and we're looking forward to your concert.
Thank you so much. Let's call in another TikTok content creator, Ian Lee Estrella.
Hi, congratulations everyone sa upcoming grand concert. Yung question ko would be, lahat kayong showcase ng mga talents nyo dito. Anyone can answer. Pero ano yung pinaka talent na i-show nyo siguro na pinaka-excited kayo about? Kasi we all know na may mga kumakanta sa inyo, may sumasayaw. Meron ba sa inyong lumabas sa comfort zone nyo? Or nabanggit na ba sa inyo kung ano yung mga pwede nyong gawin na parang medyo challenging para sa inyo? Anyone can answer?
I think it's time for me to show my shower skills to everyone. I think it's time to show kung gaano kalambot yung katawan ko.
Kasama ba lahat ng boys dun sa performance na yan?
Dapat lang po. Dapat lang. Kasi hindi ko to gagawin kapag hindi kasama sila.
How about the others? Parang something na you are looking forward to. If may chance kayo na pumili na performance. Katulad sa'yo, I said, diba, you would like to sing katulad dun sa first episode last night.
Yeah, I mean, definitely I'm excited to sing. I don't do it as often as I used to, so I'm just looking forward to that. Looking forward to performing with everyone, and I don't know if they're gonna make me dance, but we're gonna see. I'm not very much of a dancer.
Yeah. Sige, second question ko na will be, meron pa kaming pwedeng makuha kahit konting teaser from you guys ngayon.
Teaser? Ng show?
Hindi, actually kanina nila.
Yes, Derek. you wanna say something?
Ano? That's what you're gonna hear on August 15th.
Bro, what?
You didn't answer.
No.
That's all you get. Pero that's a little teaser.
Hindi mo pa nabubuo, no? Hindi mo pa
Ito naman, oh.
Sige, I'm sure they want more. At least, 5 seconds, diba?
Yes, Michael Kidd, we all want that. Sobrang teaser naman nun.
That's it. That's all we can give for now, pero
KJ naman.
if you guys follow the GAT Instagram pages or all our pages, we just posted a teaser for something very special. Kaya abangan nyo. We're so excited because I think this is also going to be our first time performing it then, and I mean, it's crazy. We're for the first time performing that song for the first time, but also for the first time in Araneta. So it's going to be super exciting and yeah.
Pero sa akin, direct mag-ano tayo na yung mga nagsasabihin sa taas. No, direct, yung lumilipad, yun.
Yung ikot-ikot.
Baka pwede yun, direct. Tapos mag-backflip, mga cheating.
Dapat may floating platform tayo direct.
Ayan, thank you. Ano yun? Sample daw ng shower scene. Hindi, joke lang. Ayan, thank you.
No. I'll give you the same length of the teaser na he gave, okay? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Alright. That's exactly what you did there. No.
Thank you guys. Thank you. And congratulations.
Marco, ang bitin naman nun. We want more.
Well, people have to come to the show and watch.
Alright. Thank you so much.